Magics, Mbombela Stadium, Rio Land. Bafana visit Rwanda. FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Bafana have gotten the job done. Bafana 3 defeating Rwanda matod. Nga Rodmani am like tele. Rodmani chabla ipeli. Automatic qualification to the FIFA World Cup. Rodmani am. Rodman.
Ya Budwamin. Mina Themba Sihlangu noma Abush Bakrish akhona uKhotondale niko namuhla la Mbombela Stadium antabukela bafana South Africa siyavena siyashaya yawina inamatimba qualifying World Cup South Africa
Tshela ngasaba kuva lo mdlalo waphi
South Africa you winile
2026 omsala
2026
sesiqalile sibakile ama-suitcase batshele lo mtsala sicela nikuthenga amathikithi siyahamba vele
inaflyer yafamba yaka World Cup yes bye bye
coach mphathi imessage lenayo kuwa Bruce lebafana as a whole ithini imessage yakho kulabafana nje
leswi nga ta swi vula i ku bibele yi ri a living dog is better than a dead lion. To a person who's amongst the living, there is hope. Our hope is also nyani kono ku wina, he kono qualify for World Cup, he bar Rwanda, he winile. Yes.
Lo mhlala kakhulu ngiyabonga nami.
Thanks.
Nayo lo mtsala.